5G build-out is going to be very infrastructure intensive, requiring massive deployment of small cells.
Spectrum is invisible infrastructure. We may not be able to see it, but it is where we are going to build our economic future.
America's local governments will play an important role in determining how we fulfill this national priority. The big game changer is that 5G will use much higher frequency bands than previously thought viable for mobile broadband and other applications. Such millimeter wave signals have physical properties that are both a limitation and a strength. But brilliant engineers have developed new antennas that can aim and amplify signals, coupled with sophisticated processing that allows a moving device to pick up all of the signals that are bouncing around and create one coherent connection.
By the way, preparing for AVs is as much about smart roadways as it is smart vehicles. In fact, in many ways, it's really there that we want to begin, so that we can establish kind of corridors where, at least on the commercial side, you can accelerate adoption.
When I hear the telecom industry talk about it, they're not really talking about 5G. 5G is not really about faster speeds. It's really about building an industrial internet that provides for automation, self-driving cars, Industry 4.0.
I'm convinced that we are at the cusp of a transformational moment in transportation policy and investment.
5G will pave the way for automated vehicles, which have the potential to dramatically reduce traffic injuries and fatalities. So there's 37,000 people lost every year on America's highways. If we want to stay at the head of the race to 5G, the government needs to make sure that wireless companies have access to the necessary spectrum and the ability to efficiently deploy small cell infrastructure.
That's the challenge that we face today. So, I mean, if you really want to make your country competitive for the future, you're going to have to look at this more as a national strategic investment and somehow stimulate that with policy.
5G has the potential to pave the way for the widespread adoption of precision agriculture, which uses tools like robotics and remote monitoring to help farmers manage their fields and boost their crop yields. The widespread deployment of 5G will require two things: adequate spectrum and adequate infrastructure. Wi-Fi operating on unlicensed spectrum will have an increasing role as we continue to connect more devices in the 5G era. Technological breakthroughs in everything from agriculture to energy. 5G has the potential to add $500 billion to the economy and to create literally millions of new jobs.